Japan channel, welcome back on the R1 today. Mentioned in the previous video, the petcock, like the fuel tap, it drips in the off position. It's kind of okay to leave it like that, but I don't know if it's going to start dripping when it's in the on position. Bad news. So I'm going to take it off. I'm happy to buy another one, but I thought before I spend some money, I may as well take it off and have a look. You've got to replace it anyway, so I've got to take this one off anyway. I may as well get it off before ordering it and take it apart and have a look before spending money. It might be a simple fix, it might just be get a new one anyway, I don't know. Anyway, let's find out. So, Yamaha R1, 1999. I got in the habit of taking this off. Just gives you a bit more space to get your hand under there when you're physically turning that petcock off. Loosen the hinge bolt at the back, remove that. Should be able to lift the tank up. Where's my wood? I'll show you what I've got. I've got a good solution to holding this up. 2 bits of wood. I use 2 bits of wood. Most people just use 1. I use 2 because I'm fancy. Watch this. So, that goes up there. Nice little kind of dip in the top of the airbox, and then that holds under there securely. That's enough, yeah? That's really secure. You want to get your hands under there. Thing is, I'm still a bit nervous. Call it common sense, call it paranoia. It's kind of a combination of the both. I don't want my hands in there and then that to suddenly drop. That's a nasty finger injury. It's going to fuck you up for a long time. So I've got this, look. It's a bit of broomstick handle. It slots it in, lovely, in that step in the airbox. Slide that through. That's like a bit of a safety feature. So even if that wobbled and fell out of position, tank stays up, and I get to use my fingers another day. So the tank drips in the off position, so I want to get it disconnected from the bike and then move it as quick as possible. Right. See that? Turned it off, dripping. It's quite bad, isn't it? Right. There you go. 2 crosshead, big fat crosshead end screwdriver I need. Big fat one. Just randomly walked to my neighbour's house. He loves my NSX and was talking to me about his car, and then he's learning to speak English, so ended up getting a quick walk to his house and get shown a small little sports car. Oh my god, I cleaned all that off, covered in shit again. I've got some nasty stuff in my fuel tank. So what I'm going to do now is undo these 2. See if I see anything that explains why it's dripping in the off position. So what we're looking at here is a very fucked looking washer gasket thing. Can I pull this tap out? Yes, I can. Right, how does this work? That just turns. Very, very simple. That just turns and exposes one hole rather than the other. So why is it leaking? Maybe I need a new gasket around one of the holes. If I replace that gasket, oh, what was that? That was an O-ring there. Didn't realise that was there. Okay, there's an O-ring on top. If I replace that rubber thing, I haven't even looked online or anything. I don't know even if you can even buy these parts. So I did just buy online some hooky tools for exactly this kind of job. Looks like a little face. Okay, so while those bits are in the cleaner, let's do some online shopping. Gucci, Prada, Yambits. Okay, so those repair bits are available, just found them on eBay. I now need to find them for sale in Japan. I do that by translating everything into Japanese and then searching that. Okay, what's that one? Monotero. This is good for buying random little bits on. Difficult to find what you want, but they do seem to have everything if you can find it. That bolt, I do need some of those for my front fender on my R1. Okay, right, let's find this fuel tap repair kit. That should get us it. Loads of them. That'll do. So I will buy that one, thank you very much. And then while I'm here with the laptop, might as well buy some other bits that I need. Right, those bolts. Partzilla number 2 on there. Impex Japan I use as well. And this one. Yeah, that bolt number 2 I need. Mine are all rusty on my bike. Get the part number. There it is. Again, loads of all the tiniest little bits you could ever possibly buy, but difficult to find actually what you want. There it is. It looks like it. Yamaha screw, double check the number. Beverly Hills 90154. 4 of those please. And then what else do I need? I need a strap for my battery. My other one was a bit cracked and crappy. It's gone missing anyway, so definitely want to replace that. So I use Impex Japan, is good for parts and getting part numbers. You can, if you're outside of Japan, you can use this company. They won't ship to Japan. It's like export only. They're good prices as well. I recommend them. Still doesn't go straight to it. There are some battery straps. There you go, number matches. One of them. Okay, hopefully it doesn't take too long to arrive. Oh, that was fast. Oh, and then that, or that will be off. That's on. Okay, I just like to look at stuff and figure it out. That's the same both sides, that goes on there. And it was the rubber O-ring. Now it's this. Let's make sure that's sitting properly. Then it was this. Fitting much nicer now. Then it was this. This should be in the on position if I'm understanding it correctly. Ah, come on. No, that was the off position. The simple way to check it, That's the off position. Can't blow at it. On position. Okay, cool, that's correct. Where the fuck's it dripping from? So my new gaskets didn't work. I want to see where is it dripping from. Totally dry up there. I've got fuel all around there. Just watch it as I tip this forward. It's just coming from everywhere. It's like it's coming out of that pipe, and it's coming from the base of that tube as well. Really, I think it's just replaced the whole thing job. Unfortunately, that's how it goes sometimes. Live and learn.